Here you go. I'm sitting.
Why don't you
try.
just put it down and it faces?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know how to do that. So I'm gonna try this tofu. Let's see if it's good. You see that, guys? Let me eat it. Not bad. It's like some ground pork and some tofu, ginger and stuff like that. It's ginger, green onion and stuff. Not bad. Let's try this soup dumpling over here. I'm gonna put it on my plate before it falls. Hold on. Trying to eat and videotape is kind of hard, but that's okay. Alrighty. Soup dumpling. Don't burn my mouth. Okay. Hey, where's the soup? I don't see no soup in there.
I think they found it. You can see the
man. Here we go. No soup inside, but I didn't put any sauce on it. I'm gonna try it first.
Why don't you show your face?
You don't need to see my face. It's not bad. Pretty good. Let me try the sauce now. Yummy. There's pork inside here. You see that? Dumpling. Dip it in. I think this is just soy sauce. Woo! It's kind of like soy sauce with vinegar. I don't like the sauce. I just like dumpling plain. Yummy. Shanghai buns. Let's try one of those. I don't know what's in here, but let's check it out. Here we go. Let me cut it up. Wow! Splatter! Now this should be a soup dumpling. Oh my god. I got liquid all over my face, all over this counter. I wasn't expecting that. But I'm trying to cut my dumpling with a spoon. Not bad. Look inside. Yummy. And it's like a crusted, kind of like a dumpling crusted fried. Yummy. Not bad at all. Can you open that sauce, T? See if it's the same.
It looks like it is. It just has, yeah. I don't know.
Looks different. Let's taste this one. I taste the same, yeah. I don't like the sauce. Dumpling's good though. It's actually called Shanghai bun, but tastes like a dumpling. Just trying the wings. It's like a mustard sauce or something.
This video is gonna be so gross because all you hear is you chew so loud.
It's so yummy. I wish I had some like hot sauce. Let's dip it in this thing here.
Yeah, actually it's good.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put this tofu mapu thing inside my Shanghai bun. Oh yeah. Then I'm gonna eat it. Look at this, guys. Woohoo! Yummy. Dripping good.
Oh my god, I choked on that.
My daughter's choking on the wings.
No, I choked on the tofu from laughing at you.
Oh. Well, my next thing is the wings. Shanghai wings. Spicy, supposed to be. We'll see. Yummy. This is what I'm devouring. Yummy. Pretty good. I'm satisfied. How are the wings, T?
They're good.
Good? Spicy?
Yep.
How does the sauce taste?
I don't know.
Like mayo?
Probably.
Or sriracha?
No.
My hands are so dirty. Those soup dumplings didn't have no soup inside. But they're still good. She says the soup fell all over. Mmm, so delicious. Crispy too. See the bottom part? Shanghai bun is crispy. Ding ding! My last piece. Mmm, my hands are dirty. On to the wings. Let's see, we got some.
Oh, that's just rice.
Chili? Yeah, that's rice. You got a little tiny pint of white rice. Green onions and chili right here. I'm gonna eat that. Mmm, yummy. Can be green onions and chili. Look at this. Chili all over this chicken wing. I'm gonna eat all this. Yummy.
Oh, you can dip it in the sauce. It's like it's such a mess.
Mmm. Pretty damn good. Really tasty. I would definitely recommend Tea House. My tongues are getting spiced up from this Szechuan spice wings. Let me try some of that sauce. Okay. There's my wing sauce. Here we go. Yummy, yummy. Mmm.
I'm feeling so busy.
Mmm.
Oh, she might be busy.
What? Mmm.
Oh, wow.
Okay, here's sauce. Ah! My soft chicken fell in the sauce.
Is it just you two?
Yeah, my
Look
mom
at
just
me.
came to drop off food.
I
'cause she's
can't
sick of
even
the
get it.
kids.
Oh yeah, it's dipped. Mmm.
Yeah. She's recording on the front camera. I'm like, you should just put it down. She's like, no, it's fine. She's like,
Yummy,
hey guys.
look at this. Mmm.
Look.
Need some rice now. There's my daughter.
Oh my god. Mukbang. Okay, I just
Good.
wanted to show you her. She's
Really good.
been recording
Thank
for
you.
the past 10 minutes.
It's extraordinary.
Yeah, so I told her.
So yummy.
Food for two people. What the hell?
Mm. For two, there's
Wow,
only
my view's
4.
so pretty.
Okay, that's it, guys.
That's
Thumbs up for Tea House.